Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we will do the sixth chapter of economics. The name of the chapter is index number, and this is part 6 of the index number. That is the last part of the index number. In this we are going to learn about the various, that is the different limitations of the index number. What are the drawbacks, that is the limitations of the index number? Basically, when we talk about the limitations, there are the 8 limitations of index number. First one is based on samples. First limitation is based on sample. Second limitation is based on bias in the data. Third one is misuse of index number. Fourth one is defects in formula. Fifth one is changes in the economy. Sixth one is qualitative changes. Seventh one is arbitrary weight. And the eighth one is limited scopes. So these are the 8 limitations of the index number. Now let us start with the first limitations of the index number, that is based on samples. Index number are generally based on sample. We cannot include all items in the construction of index number. We cannot include all items. We have to just take the selected items for the constructions of the index number. Hence they are not free from sampling error. The first one is based on sample. In this, we cannot include all items in the construction of the index number. Hence, they are not free from the sampling error. Second one is bias in the data. Index number are constructed on the basis of various types of data, which may be incomplete. Index number are constructed on the basis of various types of data. This data may be incomplete. They may be bias in data collected. There may be bias in data collected. This is bound to affect the results of the index number. So the first error is, that is first drawback is based on sample. Second one is bias in the data. The third limitation is misuse of index number. Third limitation is based on the misuse of index number. Index number can be misused. They compare a situation in the current year with the situation in the base year. So index number basically compare the situation in the current year with the situation in the base year. Hence, a person may choose a base year which may be suitable for his purpose. For example, a businessman may choose a year in which his profit is high as the base year, and so that his profit is falling in the current year. So this is the misuse of the index number. Fourth one is defects in formulae. There is no perfect formula for construction of an index number. It is only an average. So it has all the limitations of the average. The fifth one is change in the economy. Fifth one is changes in the economy. The habits, tastes are expectations of the peoples in the country are always changing, and all these changes cannot be included in the estimations of index number. Are you getting? That is the changes in the economy. The tastes, habits and the expectations of the peoples are always changing. These changes cannot be included in the estimations of index number. So it is one of the biggest limitations of index number. Seventh one is qualitative changes. The price of the quantity index number may ignore the changes in the quantities of the product. At any given time, a better quality commodity will have a higher product cost and a higher price than an ordinary commodity which is substitute for the better product. So there is a qualitative changes is also one of the biggest limitations of the index number. The seventh one is arbitrary weight. The weight is assigned to the different commodities may be arbitrary. And the eighth one is limited scope. An index number has a limited scope because if it is constructed for one purpose, then it cannot be used for other purpose. So it has a limited scope. So today we have done the last part of the chapter, that is the limitations of the index number. In this part we have done the 8 limitations of the index number. First one was based on sample, second one was bias of data, third one is misuse of index number, fourth one is defects in formula, fifth one is changes in economy, sixth one is qualitative changes, seventh one is arbitrary weight, and the eighth one is limited scopes. So these are all the 8 limitations of index number.